a friend of mine. We knew each other at a conference when we were students. Finally, found the time to visit his hometown. After lunch, we headed to Fukui Prefecture Dinosaur Museum, which is one of the world's 3 largest museums. There are more than 1,000 specimens inside the exhibition room. And then we went to Kuzuru River. Kuzuru River dominates 70% of Fukui and is a symbol of Fukui. To a Kushikatsu restaurant, Akiyoshi. The service style was quite unique. They put the food directly on the stand, not on plates. Of course, the taste was great. And then we went to another izakaya restaurant. Nihonshu is always the best combination with sashimi. Next day, we went to Tojinbo. Tojinbo is a series of cliffs on the Sea of Japan, and the place I wanted to visit most is this trip. It's very simple, but the taste was great. Thank you for watching my video till the end. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe.